With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, what is a kernel and how is it formed? Right. So what is a kernel? Kernel refers to that part of the atom, or you can say kernel refers to the part of the atom except the valence electrons. Right. So valence electrons or the valence shell. Right. So what happens is that if we talk about structure of an atom. So an atom consists of a nucleus and it consists of shells, right? And one of the shells of an atom is a valence shell, right? One of the atoms in the shell is a valence shell, or you can say the outermost shell, right? The outermost shell. So except this valence shell or except this outermost shell of an atom, all the part of the atom is known as a kernel. Right, that is known as a kernel. So except the valence shell or the outermost shell of electrons of which are involved in bonding, right? Outermost shell is that of which the electrons are involved in bonding, right? The electrons of valence shell are involved in bonding. They are used in the bond formation, whether it is a covalent or an ionic bond, right? So except that part of the atom, all the part of the atom comes under kernel, right? So all the inner shells and the nucleus makes up a kernel, right? So if in any question or in any line it is written kernel electrons, right? Kernel electrons means the inner electrons except the valence shell electrons, right? That is what a kernel is, right? And it is formed depending upon the atom, what atom you are taking, what is the valence shell of an atom. If you know the valence shell, then you also know the kernel, because except valence shell, everything comes under kernel, right? All the inner shells are a part of a kernel, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.